Yeah, guys, I'm Nas in my block commercial deal. Man, when need to go do 2M first. One need to go do urgently, so pay a good here first. Message I don't know how details. No go I don't know if I'm an ordinary researcher. There are people who have done more legwork. When the Google cosmology books, they interested in it. Me, I'm merely a singer-songwriter doing promotion for his music. I just share what I'm experiencing and the translation I give between. Even my music go about whatever phase. The phase I'm living at the time. Search Alusi Pablo wherever you get your music, Spotify, Audio Mac, Boomplay, anywhere, to see for yourself, right? I write on what I am experiencing, what I am living at the time. My bio is, hey guys, normal guy here, a ghostwriter. Stream my catalog to see if you wanna hire me to write for you. Hire me. AG, this Oguna Nidi. On your choka, warrior. Hire me, don't idolize or pedestalize me, because I unlearn and relearn these phases, and the translation I give them can change as I pick up more information along the way. And if no be say I don't turn to content creator, really share every part of my life on social media. If I was a cult leader, for example, only the innermost of my innermost circle will know. Only the innermost circle of a cult knows their secrets. For example, you can be sure that the popes and cardinals know things that are hidden, that will permanently traumatize the peasant masses to stop attending mass. So instead of sharing and ending that charade, whatever that religious charade is, I'll mount my podium and motivate peasants all over the world to stay holy and practice what I teach. I can't have them question their faith in my rare divinity. I need their tithe. I'll give you whatever Naira Marley gave that ram for you to follow me. 3 uses of Folio's music. When you're running late to work and a girl of phone, play it on repeat in your car or in your ears. As you go off, you automatically repeat the affirmations and declarations automatically while listening. Second is when you are going to bed. If you do not remember your dreams, Folio's music helps people remember their dreams. When we find a memo, that Blue Noble a good, great meditation too. So stream away. Thanks for the stream.